Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. If you're new, hi, I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays, and in today's video, I'm going to be taking 3 different tops and making a ton of different outfits. I lost count because there were so many different outfits, and depending on your style, you can make variations of all of these outfits that I'm showing you today. So if you're interested in seeing me style this button up here, this lacy cami, as well as this basic tee over here, then please keep watching. Some of the outfits that I'm featuring are perfect for back to school and transitioning for the fall time. So if you want to get inspired by just 3 basic pieces, then please keep watching. And again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe down below. And if you learned something new or get inspired by this video, then please give me a thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. I will leave direct links down below in the description bar of all the products and outfits that I'm wearing, or try to find something similar because some of them are from older seasons. So definitely check out the description bar, but without further ado, let's get started. So outfit number 1 is definitely one of my go-tos. I wear this top all the time, but it's from H&M. It's like a light linen material, and then I just tied a knot at the bottom. I paired it with these jeans from Boohoo. It's got a mom fit, very loose and relaxed. And then I just made my coin purse into a little belt, and then I paired it with these white boots that I'm so excited to start styling more in the fall. So yeah, super easy outfit, but let's move on to outfit number 2. So I've seen a ton of girls on Instagram recently doing this. They just take a button up and then they turn it into an off the shoulder top. I will say it's a little bit uncomfortable, and I did feel conscious that the shoulders were going to jump up to my collarbone area, but it was really cute. And I also like to style it with a blazer to give it more of an office style look, maybe in after hours, but paired with these pants and the shoes, I just loved it together. But outfit number 3 is a little bit more of a preppy style, and I feel like this, I've seen this in like 90s movies and like Legally Blonde. It gives me those types of vibes. I just took this button-up shirt that you saw in the previous clips, and I threw the lace cami over. I paired it with the same Boohoo mom jeans and these short 1-inch mules from Boohoo as well. This is definitely a really easy go-to outfit for me, but I thought it was perfect for back to school if you're more used to like a preppy style. So this is definitely something to try out. But let's move on to outfit number 4. Is this 4 or 3? I don't know. But I love this outfit. So I paired the cami underneath the white button-up top, both from H&M, and then my skirt is also H&M, and then my shoes are Boohoo. So I love the little scarf trend for the laces. I think that'll be really fun for the fall time. If you're going to school, this is like one of the best outfits. Super easy to wear. And the bag, obviously you've seen on my channel before, but I did wear this when I was in college. So this is definitely a go-to outfit for me. I would wear this all the time during the school year. And then in the colder months, you can just pair it with some tights. On to the next outfit. I did buy these jeans from Goodwill. They were thrifted, and I paired it with this basic white top from Zara. I will leave the item code so that you guys can shop this exact same t-shirt, but it is my favorite shirt. I've bought about like, is bought even a word? I've bought about like 3 of the same shirts in the white, and I just tucked the shirt into the jeans. I cuffed the jeans up and then paired it with my Fila shoes, and this is very 90s, a dad look for sure with the chunky shoes, but again, one of my favorite outfits. I've been wearing these jeans a ton since I've thrifted them. I don't button them up. I just leave the button unbuttoned, but I zip it up and then I belt it super tight with this belt. But yeah, one of my favorite outfits again, and you can also dress it up with a denim jacket, so definitely throwing it back to the 90s. And then also with a leather jacket, makes it super trendy, really easy for nighttime, and I can definitely see myself wearing this for the fall time in LA because it doesn't get too cold. But moving on to the next outfit, this is definitely one of my favorites. I surprised myself with this outfit too. So the dress is from H&M. The t-shirt is again the Zara shirt, and then the coin purse, I wrapped it around my waist again, and then I just paired it with my Fila Fila chunky shoes. And I just feel like this is such an easy outfit. It's really put together, but it's very casual. I know that H&M does this dress back to school like during the fall time, so definitely keep an eye out for that dress, although this one's from older seasons. And then I just threw a denim jacket over to make it more casual and the leather jacket to kind of dress it up too. But yeah, again, you can see how versatile these jackets are with all of my outfits. So on to the next outfit. This is definitely for the workwear, the working girl, 9 to 5. She's got a day job, she's business, she doesn't play around, and very easy to wear. I threw on a blazer from Topshop, and it's just got a boyfriend cut to it. And then I also threw on this trench coat, which is a little bit out there, but I thought it was really cute. And then I paired the cami on its own with the Boohoo pants with the ruffles at the bottom. This outfit is for that girl that's just after hours. I've worn this outfit out before too. Really cute date night outfit if you aren't the kind of girl that likes to wear skirts and whatever. The pants are so comfortable. I just paired it with this silk top, so I wanted to feature this one because it's from Pretty Little Thing and it's a silky material, but you can see how versatile just a white button up is. Even if it's linen or satin, it gives such a different feel. And then I just paired this outfit with a leather jacket if I'm ever going out at night. But yeah, I thought this outfit was super sexy but super playful as well. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching the entire video. It means so much to me that you guys enjoy watching these styling videos and looking at my outfits. So again, if you've learned something new or you've been inspired by an outfit that I featured, then please hit that like button down below. Again, don't forget to subscribe for more videos from me because I make videos on Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And if you aren't following me already on Instagram, then please follow me on Instagram. It's at Inmyseams. I also have a blog, inmyseams.com. So if you want to see more of me, then go ahead and follow me on those social channels. But other than that, I think that is the end of this video. I hope you guys are all doing really well, and I had so much fun filming this. So if you guys like videos like these, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know what outfits you guys like seeing me in down below as well. And with that, I will see you guys all on Wednesday's video. Bye!